So, I mean, this one car is smoking. It's starting to smoke really bad, and the guy's just in the inside. The
Female is pregnant in the passenger seat.
Okay.
And ma'am, don't move. Just be still.